Welcome to CNC Quesnel. Let's go in and explore the campus. Are you looking for some help? The Office of the Registrar has got you covered. The Aboriginal Resource Center is a great place to ground yourself, connect with other students, or study in a supportive environment. This is the heart of the campus, a perfect place to socialize, study, and student events. Need a place to focus? The library has everything, from research support and a good place to study. Let's check out the trade shops. Interested in welding? This is where sparks fly and careers ignite. In the Industrial Mechanic program, students learn to maintain and repair all kinds of heavy machinery. Start your career here as an electrician on campus. From framing to finishing, this is where our students build their skills, literally. Small classroom sizes means more one-on-one time with instructors and a better learning experience. Our nursing labs give students a real-world experience in a clinical setting. That's a quick look at CNC Quesnel. Come check it out in person. We'd love to see you here.